Hello, here's how to add people on Telegram. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. So the first thing you need to do is open Telegram. There are two ways to add people. One is by going on contacts. You'll see a plus button on top right corner of your screen. When you see it, press that. After you press it, you'll be greeted by a tab. Telegram will ask for information. Add the first name, last name, and then the phone number. Second, by going to chats, scroll up a bit until you see the search button. Press search. Search the username handle of the person. When you see the contact of the person, press that. On the top right corner of your screen, press a profile. Then, you'll see the add to contacts. Press that. After that, Telegram will ask for the last name and the first name. Type the information that they need, then press done. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.